Hey y'all, we're back. Now, we gotta get dinner ready for the boys. I will not be partaking of this meal in particular. Lord have mercy. Okay, this is 1 pound of ground beef. I'm adding in a can of these no salt added Hunt's diced tomatoes. Yum. We're going to bulk it up a little bit. And we got leftover hot dog chili. That's going in too. Yep. Just like that. Just trust me. Everything will be fine. Now we're going to mix this all up together. Let it get good and hot. Good. And we don't drain the tomatoes because we need that liquid. Okay. So I've got the hamburger meat that we cooked plus a little bit of hamburger that was in the chili. Look how much that made. Wow. This is going to be, there's going to be more tomorrow. Alright, let's season a little bit. This is tomato chicken bouillon. Love this stuff. About out of it. Need some more. Oh Lord. Watch out, Lou. We're not going to do any salt. We're going to do it right now. We're going to do some oregano. A lot of oregano used in Mexican dishes. I didn't know. Here we got cumin. You could put hang on. You could put a thing of taco seasoning in here too if you have that available. I don't usually keep it because it's, it is very salty. I prefer to just add my own spices. We've got chili powder. We're going to put just a smidge in because there was some in that chili, but not enough to carry the whole dish. Okay, now you could chop up an onion. You could chop up some peppers and put in here, whatever. But since it's just for the guys, I'm not doing that. We'll give it a little flavor test here in a few. See if it needs salt. I've also got a couple more things to add. So then, okay, so now it's all good and combined. Ooh, doesn't that look good? So now, I've had these in the cabinet for a while. These are the 90-second microwave rices, but they need used. And they're too salty and too carby for me. So we're going to do 2 of those. Make your and Dad's supper? Oh, I know you do, huh? Who? She came in earlier when you came back in. Okay. Try to break those up in the package before you.
No, that's not.
Hey, not right now. Not while I'm videoing. Okay?
That's not.
Okay. Did you not hear what I said?
Yeah.
Not right now, not while I'm videoing. You're going to have to wait a minute. Huh? Go to the bathroom.
Okay.
Kid's been peeing off porch so long. Now he just wants to pee off porch now that we have a bathroom. Alright, so we're going to leave this like this. We're going to stir it up some more, but this is I don't know, maybe almost a half of a block of Velveeta queso. We're going to pop those down in there like that. We are going to use the whole entire thing because it needs used. And with, thank you. With my guys, the cheesier the better. Okay, now, let's see. I think this is the lid. It is. Perfect. We're going to let that melt. Ow. Hang on. And then over here, we got, remember I got these the other day. Whoa, hold on. Oh, no. I got these. We were shopping at the Dollar General for the chip deal. You had to buy Fritos or Ruffles. And so we got some scoops. Oh, and we had 2 bags. Bannon has already. Denise, I'm not eating this. So, yeah. Hey, what are you doing, bub?
It's right here.
Oh, you still got some more? Okay, there we go. So, anyways, that's what we're going to dip them in. Hey, get away from there. Hey. That's a hot stove, baby. Get over there.
I'm getting chips.
You're not getting any chips right now. You need to take the puppy out. Come on.
No, I'm still sleeping.
Wake her up. Wake her up. Well, I'm going outside. Get your puppy and come on. Oh, Lord, man, honey. Sweetie, come on. Oh, gosh. We'll have us a seat out here on the porch. Now, for those of you that may have missed it, I have posted the ultimate grilled chicken marinade video.
Can I feed them?
Yes, go up there and get 2 scoops, Bannon. 2 scoops. Sorry about that. When I walk outside, my Wi-Fi doesn't want to work right. So, anyway, for those of you that missed it, no, I didn't turn the burner off. I'm just letting the cheese melt. Yeah. Yeah, for real, Sherry. I know, right? Why are they worried? Like, I'm either going to do it or I'm not, guys. And you know, I'm doing it. I've been doing it now for 3 weeks, I think. I don't know how long it's been. It's been a while. Go potty, puppy. She's doing really good. But yeah, we are making some dinner for the boys, and there's gonna be leftovers. So, yeah, they can probably have it again tomorrow. I don't know. We'll see. Anthony might come home ravenous. We'll see how it goes. So, anyways, oh, good girl. That's a good girl. Her pee-pee. Good girl, Birdie. Good girl. Now go over and poop, and I'll be very excited. She has a little diarrhea from her vaccinations. Yeah. She's a good puppy. She's super smart. Trying to keep an eye on her. Make sure she goes. She likes to hide out when she's going to poo. She likes her privacy. Oh no. Good. We're pooping. She's pooping like a good puppy. Can't tell if it's still watery or not. Anyway, she got her vaccines, and just gave her a little bit of squirts, which is normal. But she's doing great. Of course, it's easy to potty train a dog when you have the warm weather. Gail, thanks for watching. You know, I love to hear that. I love to hear that people are watching and looking forward to the videos. Jerry, Lynn, Horn, Woods, how would you like for me to engage? I don't know what else to do. I'm trying to engage. Sometimes I can't see. Hang on. We gotta go in here and check our... And guys, listen. I promise you. Hey, that's enough. Shut the door. He's probably fed him a half bag of feed. Bannon! Shut it up. They're done. Well, what have you been doing this whole time? You know what? You know what, Juki? Let him do what he's going to do, honey. All right, let's turn off the burner. Ooh, baby. Hold on. Honey, I don't reckon. Oh, that's going to be good. I'm just going to set it off the heat completely and let it just kind of hang out till Anthony gets home and he can have some scoops and some cheesy. Where did he? Hold on. Oh, sorry guys. Sorry. Oh, I don't know. That was my phone. Let me know Anthony has gotten somewhere. But anyway, there it is, guys. Easy. Throw it together. You know, it don't take that much to get a hot meal on the table for your family. You just have to be willing to put in a little bit of effort. And I'll just tell you the truth about it. I don't want to do it half the time. But now that, you know, summer's about winding down, it's time to get back into the grind of the fall and the winter and the things. And, you know, and Anthony's working close enough to drive back and forth this week, so time for me to get out and break out the old apron and get back to work. Anyways, guys, I'll see y'all later. Might get one more video in before we close down for the night. I love you, and I'll see you later. Bye.